So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Now you want to click on App Settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now you want to click on Reset and then click on Reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, see if that fixes your problem. For the second method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next method, head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it, which is now going to reset the Microsoft Store cache. We can now close out of this. And now you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter. And now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.